Okay, now children, a third equation of motion. Okay, and that formula is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation. There are three equations of motion by which you can solve any kind of numerical, and these are actually the relation between various physical quantities like velocity, acceleration, distance, time. In this third equation, you can see there is no time factor. So if some problems come in which there is no time or time has not been given, you can use this formula. Okay, so again same thing, we will consider a body moving with moving in a uniformly accelerated motion, and let its velocity time graph be shown. Let A be the point where initial velocity be u, B be the point where initial velocity be v. For each derivation, children, you draw separate graph so that this will make you clear and it will clarify all your concept, and it as you will go on practicing, it will make you perfect. So we will consider 2 points where u and v are the initial velocity. Make sure that while deriving any derivation, draw graph, write initial points, that is, consider a body moving with initial velocity u, final velocity v, a be the acceleration, s be the distance traveled. This everything, whatever you are using in your formula should be there. What should be clearly defined. So now proceeding ahead again, what is the importance of this graph is that s, the distance traveled, is given by area under graph. Right children? ठीक है, पहले भी बताया है ये, s is equal to area under graph. Now we proceed to next step. In the second equation, we had considered these two areas. We have separated and we had determined that type of equation. Now what we will do, we will take this area as a whole, that is, we will take it into consideration trapezium, that is area of trapezium ABEF. Both equations are correct, but this equation doesn't have time term, and in that there was time term but there was no in final velocity term. So whatever you will take, you will get some equation. So this is area of trapezium ABEF. So what is area of trapezium? Yes, half into height into sum of parallel sides. So here see, trapezium is this much. Trapezium, I will draw a separate trapezium for you. This is trapezium ABEF. There are two parallel sides. Which are the two parallel sides? These children, these are the, ये दिख रहे हैं, ये दोनों parallel sides. This is u and this is v. What is perpendicular distance or the height? T. T is the height between them. This is time. दिख रहा है बच्चों आपको कि t is the time between two parallel lines. So here the formula becomes half. What is height? Height is always a perpendicular line, so t. And what is sum of the parallel side? One is u and other is v. So half t into v plus u. So s is it. Now here in our formula we don't have time term. Again we will take help of first equation of motion. First equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at, or you can say v minus u. Shift u on the left part, you will get v is minus u is equal to at, or v minus u upon t is equal to a. This thing you know, slope or the acceleration, you can again rewrite it in another form, v minus u upon a is equal to t. This thing we have to take the value of time t here from this equation 2 and substitute in this equation 1. So s is equal to half, t can be written as v minus u upon a, and this is v plus u. Either you write u plus v or v plus u. Commutative law is valid for addition. So now you have learned algebraic formulas. What is a plus b into what is a minus b? The product is a square minus b square. So similarly, 1 by 2a will remain in the denominator. This will be b square minus u square. So cross multiplication, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. This is one multiplicative identity. 1 into anything is that value only. So v square minus u square is 2as. Children, this is again the third equation of motion. You can shift this u over left hand side. You will get u square plus 2as is equal to v square. So this is also one of the form. This way also you can write. This one is also correct. So I think this much is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please do ask me in